Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me.
Is my face in it?
No.
Okay, good. I can see it.
So yeah, this is going to be my first time actually really filming what it is that I do. You're going to hear my son in the background, but just disregard him. He's always excited.
You can go ahead and record now. You saw it? It's really fast and good.
There's my Instagram name. Just log on Instagram and follow my personal page and also my business page on Instagram. Thanks. Now the flowers that you see me putting on the dress, all of those flowers, or petals should I say, were custom made. I made the petals first and then I sewed each and every one of them onto the gown individually. All of the ivory that you see at the top is actually custom applique. Okay, so here's the finished product. Look how beautifully those petals lay on the gown. I just love this gown. All of the gowns, like I stated, I'm sorry, all of the petals, like I stated, are custom made one by one. I did create them my own self and I applied them individually. They are all made out of organza. Alright, now get ready for the client sleigh. So, all the photos, well not all of them, but majority, every photo that you see is the photo that she sent me. She looks amazing. Subscribe and also follow. Thanks guys for tuning in. Have a good day.